The moment of truth. Will she like it? Welcome back, guys. So if you've been watching the vlog, I'm still on Vlogmas. I apologize. It's actually March 2nd now. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been on this 75 medium journey. And it's also Lent. So, you know, that means I gave up something for 40 days. And this year for Lent, I gave up getting outside the house coffee is what I call it. So I can have coffee, but I can't go to like Starbucks, Dunkin', our local coffee shops for coffee. So I've just been making coffee at home. With that, I decided it'd be a great time to try Javvy protein coffee right here. So Javvy protein coffee, French vanilla, instant iced coffee. Okay. It says here, 100% real coffee, no artificial sweeteners, no added sugars, made in 3 easy steps. So I'm going to try it for you guys. My first impression on, is this going to replace my coffee that I've been drinking at home? Because in this 75 medium journey, I've also been needing to like up my protein intake. So what better way to do that than with some protein coffee? So let's see. Step 1. Fill your cup. I got my water here, 8 ounces, okay. Ta-da. Step 2, 1 to 2 scoops. Okay, so I didn't actually open it yet. Let's open this bad boy. Oh, there it is. I was like, where's the scooper? Okay. Scoopity scoop. Okay. So 10 grams of protein per scoop. I want 2 scoops. So we're gonna do 1. Here's what it looks like. Okay. 2. And my frother guy. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Froth, froth, froth. Whoa. Do it like that? Ooh. Wow. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, I got some powder in my nose. Ooh, don't do that. Okay. Frothy froth. Ooh, wow. Ooh, can I show you? Let me get closer. Wow, I don't know. Is it in the thing? It smells really good. Just gonna. Okay. So everything I've read about Javvy coffee, it's protein, but you're not gonna taste the like, you know, the whey, the chalkiness, and that's really important to me. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay. Smell. Oh, it smells good. Okay, but I like it like super cold. I'm gonna got my ice here. Let's stir it up more. Wow, that actually looks really good. Okay. The moment of truth. Will she like it? Oh, my straw's broken. Well, that was it. 1 moment. Why does she need a straw? Everything tastes better with a straw. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's good. You want to try? Jonathan's here. Oh, that's really good. I should have made no reaction so you could try it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
A lot of flavor.
A lot of flavor. 2 scoops. We got the French vanilla. Get it, guys. If you are like me and you are trying to avoid outside coffee, or you're just like, It doesn't have to be because of Lent. You're like saving money. You want to up your protein while still having your caffeine and your coffee flavored things. Because honestly, I love coffee because of the taste. And this has the taste. Wouldn't you say? The taste is absolutely there. It even says if you want to add like a splash of your favorite milk, you can. And I don't think it needed it. So I'm not going to. I'm just going to drink it. But you know, if you don't want all like coffee, you want a little more milky milk, go for it. But I don't need it. It's delicious. All right. I guess if you know you want it, find them online. Javvy Coffee. Till next time, guys.